according to Jean Piaget's cognitive concepts, which refers to cognitive structure. For example, seeing a dog and forming an initial idea of a dog. Would it be number or letter A, accommodation, letter B, assimilation, letter C, schema, or letter D, equilibrium? Initial time, no, initial or the first time that the person has formed a concept. Tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter C. This is schema. Unang beses, no, na yung bata ay nagkaroon ng ideya kung ano yung cat. Yung schema niya ng cat ay four-legged animal, may tail, no? So yan po yung pusa para sa kanya. Ngayon, kapag ka nakita ng bata yung isang aso, pero tinatawag niya pa rin itong cat, di ba? The same lang yung schema niya, walang change sa kanyang schema. Akala niya, dahil yung aso, katulad ng pusa, meron ding apat na mga paa at meron din buntot, tinawag niya ito ngayong cat, di ba? So having the same schema for the child, this means or this process is termed assimilation. Kapag kaalam na nung bata na kahit na four-legged din yung aso, magkaiba sila ng pusa. The child starts calling the dog a dog, then the child has already had a change in schema, then we call the process accommodation. Ang equilibrium po is the balance between your assimilation, accommodation, and the rest of your cognitive processes.